Today's recipe is restaurant style fried rice. Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Chop 1 cup spring onions, 2 cup cabbage, chop half a yellow and red bell pepper, chop 5 cloves garlic, chop 200 grams chicken breast, crack 4 eggs for scrambling them later. Beat the eggs properly. Pour 2 tablespoons oil for frying eggs. Fry the eggs for 1 to 3 minutes. Take the scrambled eggs off the pan. Keep it aside. Pour 1 cup oil and sprinkle the chopped garlic. Fry it for 30 seconds until it's light golden. Add sliced chicken. Fry it for 3 minutes on medium-high heat. Add salt to taste. Add 2 cup chopped carrots. Fry it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add cabbage and fry again for 2 minutes. Sprinkle 1 cup chopped spring onions. Add the chopped bell pepper. Fry it for 30 seconds. Add 1 teaspoon black pepper. Add 1 teaspoon white pepper. Stir it properly. Fry it for 30 seconds. Add 3 teaspoons sugar. Stir properly and fry it for 30 seconds. Add 200 grams 90% boiled rice. Stir it nicely. Fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Stir with very gentle hand. After 3 minutes, add 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Fry it for 1 to 2 minutes on high flame. Add the scrambled eggs. Mix it properly and fry it for 1 minute. Now look at the texture. Wow, it's done. Sprinkle some spring onions if you like it. Now you can enjoy your tasty, yummy fried rice. Make it yourself. You will be amazed. Thanks for watching, everyone. Subscribe if you like it.